To make the hidden paper clip, get yourself a paper clip, a cardstock rectangle, a second paper rectangle of paper of your choice, and a fiber. You are folding the two rectangular papers in half and making sure that they're large enough that the paper clip fits on them. Next, you're centering the paper clip and having it stick off the top of the fold, estimating where that will go into your second paper. And you're cutting a slit in the middle of that paper. Next, you're ensuring that the paper clip does indeed fit in there and the inside cardstock paper does not stick out past the edges. Oh, and importantly, if you want to decorate that orange paper, do it before sticking it on there. I'm getting my fiber ready by putting it through the loop of the paper clip. And I'm now gluing around the paper clip on the inside green cardstock, sticking that inside green cardstock to the paper that is outside of it.
Thanks for clicking the subscribe button here at Creative Solace Studios for more creative adventures by watching more videos. I'll link some related videos in the description. After we glue the first side, now it's time to glue the second side in the same way. The magic hidden paper clip is almost finished. Are you getting excited?
After double knotting your fiber and pulling it tight, we'll now push that paper clip down inside the hidden spot to truly make it a hidden paper clip. You can see that the orange paper really is thin, and so you can see the bumps of the paper clip in there. It would do better to have a thicker paper on the outside here. I am sliding my finger in there to make sure I didn't glue the inside of it closed and testing it out on a paper.
That's all there is to it. Think about all the possibilities to customize your own hidden paper clips for your paper crafting projects, your journals, your planners, whatever. I've got another video describing how I embellished and decorated this paper clip, and thanks for watching this video about the basics of the step-by-step directions. Happy creating to you!